Hi friends, in the last session we have observed that how to access the characters by using slice operator, right? So normally how we can access the character by using index operator, and the second one is by using slice operator. So in this last session we have mainly concentrated on how to access characters by using slice operator, right? What is the syntax for slice operator? S of begin index and end index and a step. Okay, begin index means from where we have to consider the slice. Okay, from begin index means from where we have to consider the slice. End index means we have to terminate the slice, means from starting to that provided index. Okay, from starting to that provided index we have to terminate. That means we will get the part of the string. Okay, that is we are getting part of the string means a substring. Okay, end index means whatever the number you will give, it considers end index minus 1. Okay, end index minus 1. Suppose if you give 4, so end index it will consider as 3. Okay, so the step value means increment value. Okay, step value means incremented value. How much number you want, you can give, there is no any issue. Okay, these are some various combinations we observed with respect to one string, right? So these are some positive direction and these are some negative direction, right? And we observed that some note also, if you are not specifying start and end index, it will consider from beginning of the string to end of the string. Okay, beginning to end of the string, right? Next, if you are not providing the step value, okay, if you are not providing the step value, default step value will be 1, right? If you are not providing the step value, default step value will be 1. Next, slice operator will provide substring based on provided index. Okay, slice operator will provide substring based on the provided index, but slice operator never raise any index error, never raise any error, that is index error or any type of error. Okay, slice operator never raise any error based on the input whatever you are giving, it is going to give you the substring. If it is not there means it will give print empty string but not raise any error. Okay, keep remember this point carefully. Slice operator never raise any error. Okay, next, if string is available it will give, otherwise empty space it will display. Okay, if the string is available it will give, otherwise it will display empty space. Okay, but it will not give any error, right? So today we are going to discuss about mathematical operators for string. Mathematical operator, mathematical operators for string. Okay, mathematical operators for string, mathematical operators for string. So the first point is how we can use mathematical operators for string. So in the operators concept, just I have explained some small things, but now I am going to elaborate everything, right? So normally for string we can use mathematical operators. Okay, that is plus operator and star operators. Okay, both we can use plus operator and star operator. Okay, we can apply, we can apply mathematical, we can apply mathematical operators for strings also. We can apply mathematical operators for strings also, strings also. Okay, first one is a plus operator for concatenation. Okay, plus operator, operator for concatenation. Okay, concatenation, plus operator for concatenation operator, star operator for string repetition. Okay, operator for string repetition. Okay, repetition, star operator for repetition. Okay, So observe here, first with respect to plus operator. Okay, first with respect to plus operator. First with respect to plus operator for concatenation. So I'm taking two strings. Okay, first observe here, I'm taking two strings. First string is a Sai. Next string is a Kumar. S2 is equal to Sai Kumar. Okay, first string is Sai and next string is Kumar. Okay, now for both of the strings, what I am doing is I'm just adding the strings. Okay, S1 plus S2. Okay, for only the two strings, what I'm doing concatenation. Okay, both I'm adding the strings. So for strings, it will add the strings. Okay, means concatenation is going to be happen. Here what I'm doing, first I'm taking two strings. I'm taking two strings. So S1 is equal to Sai, S2 is equal to Kumar. S2 plus S1. First what I am doing, I'm running. If you observe here, I'm adding the two strings. Okay, it is adding the two strings. So plus operator for strings is for concatenation. Okay, if you are using plus operator, it's going to be string concatenation. But observe here one point, when I am running, there is no space. Okay, after Sai directly Kumar. Okay, there is no space after Sai and Kumar, in between there is no any space. Okay, observe carefully that point also. But there is a difference between this one and printing with a variable number of arguments. Okay, s1 comma s2, both are not same. Okay, observe here, just here print with a variable number of arguments. Variable number of arguments. This is for string concatenation, but here it is not string concatenation. Just we are printing information with a variable number of arguments. So observe the output in both the cases. Okay, first one there is no space, but the second case we are observing the space, right? So this is for first one, plus operator for string concatenation. Okay, clear, right? First point. Next. Next point is for star operator for repetition. Star operator for repetition. So and one more thing here, I forgot, I crossed one point. Output. Okay, here I'm adding two strings only, but if I want to add one string and one int. Okay, one int. Okay, I want to add one string and one int. One string, one is of int type. Okay, now observe here whether it is possible or not. Okay, if you observe here, print of s1 plus s2, type error, can only concatenate string, not into to string. Okay, type error can only concatenate string, not into to string. Clear, right? So if we want to add concatenation for string, both should be string type only. Okay, both should be string type only. If you are taking any other one is int type, then we are going to get error. Okay, then we are going to get error. Example 1. Example 2. Okay, so the point here is note. What I'm writing note is first point. First point is, if we want to add plus operator for concatenation plus operator for concatenation, and if we are adding two strings, if we are adding two strings, both should be of string type. Okay, plus operator for concatenation, and if we are adding two strings, both should be of string type. Okay, both should be of string type. Suppose if we are if we are taking one string, if we are taking one string and one int type, then we are going to get error saying we are going to get, okay, then we will get error, then we will get error then we will get error saying then we will get error saying type error. Okay, type error, type error. Okay, type error can only concatenate string. Okay, can only concatenate string, not int to string. Okay, now observe the second point. Okay, what is the next one? Star operator for concatenation. Okay, star operator for concatenation. Here what I am taking means, first I am taking s is equal to I am taking Sai Kumar. Okay, I am taking s is equal to Sai Kumar. First string. S2 is equal to also I am taking Sai Kumar. S2 is equal to also I am taking Sai Kumar. Both I am taking strings s1 and s2, and I want to multiply the strings s1 into s2. Okay, s1 into s2. Okay, s1 into s2. Now observe here, I want to run this code. Now I want to run this code. Now observe here, now I am running this program, Python test.py. If you observe here, it is saying that type error, can't multiply sequence by non-int type of string. Okay, what error it is giving? Type error, can't multiply sequence by non-int type of string. That means, okay, this is the one case. Okay, this is the one case. See, whenever we are learning the subject, we have to learn with the errors. So then only we'll get the subject. Okay. First case, okay, two strings not possible. Okay, two strings not possible. Next case, what I'm taking example 2. Next case, I'm taking example 2. Here what I'm taking means, S1 is equal to Sai Kumar. S2 is equal to I'm taking 3. Okay, S1 equal to Sai Kumar string, S2 is equal to 3. So now observe in this case, 3 Sai Kumar into 3 means it is going to repeat the string into 3 times. Okay, it is going to repeat this string S1 string into 3 times. Okay, it is going to repeat string into 3 times. Okay, now observe the output. Okay, if you observe here, this is first time, next this is the second time, and this is the third time. Okay, string is repeated 3 times. Okay, string is repeated 3 times, right? Okay, now anyway, string to string not possible, string to int possible. Okay, now my next question, example 3. Okay, example 3. Example 3, what I am taking means here I'm taking float value. Okay, so some of people thinking that S1 is equal to Sai Kumar, S2 is equal to 3.5 means okay, 3.3 times it will repeat, zero point 0.5 time means 4 characters will come. Okay, if you are thinking in that way, absolutely 100% it is wrong. Okay, 100% pakka it is wrong. Why? Because if you are multiplying the string, okay, if you are multiplying the string, one should be string and second one should be of int type. Okay, one is string type, second one should be of int type. Okay, so if you are taking any other, it's going to give error. Okay, it should be of int type only. Okay, it should be of int type only. Now observe here, anyway I will run this program. Okay, if you observe here, type error can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Okay, type error can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Okay, so this is the way. I mean, it is not possible. Okay, my next thing, example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Example 4, what I will take means okay, so based on this conversation, you have to assume string to string not possible, string to int possible, okay, string to float not possible. But if I take string to boolean, string to true, if I take this one, is possible or not? Okay, observe here, it is string, it is boolean. Okay, is it possible or not? So observe the output. See, it is possible. How? Why it is possible? Did you remember the point where I have explained Boolean concept? Wherever true or false is there, internally it is going to consider true as 1, false as 0. Okay, true as 1, true as 1, and false as 0. Okay, so we observed that 4 cases. String to string not possible, string to int possible, float not possible, string to boolean possible. Okay, anyway, complex it is out of scope. Okay, complex is out of scope, right? So note, we will write one note. Whenever we are using star operator, star operator for string, first one of one of should be one of should be of string type, and second one second one should be of second one should be of float type, I mean int type, sorry, second one should be of int type. Okay, int type, int type only. Okay, int type or boolean, or I mean int means it is okay. Okay, int or it should be specified in the base 10 form. Okay, whenever we are using star operator, okay, whenever we are using star operator for strings, one of should be string type and the second one should be of int type. By mistake, by mistake, if we are taking any other, okay, by mistake if we are taking any other, we will get error. Okay, we will get error. Okay, we will get error. Okay, we observed two cases, right? First case is string to string not possible. If you are taking one string means next one should be of int type. There is no any chance. Okay, there is no any other chance. One string means next one should be of int only. Okay, if you are taking float, not possible. If you are taking true means see, true internally it will consider as one. Okay, but if you observe here, if I take here false, okay, if I take false, something into false means false only. That means 0. 0 means first it after multiplying there is no anything to display. Okay, right? Clear, right? So this is the thing for mathematical operators for strings. Okay, in the next session we are going to see how to find the length of the string. Okay, we can possible to find the length of the string by using two ways. One is by using length function, and the second one is by using without a length function also we can possible to find. Okay, that possible ways we can see in the next session. Okay, thank you friends. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.